So we started Cloudinary, three co-founders, 12 years ago. And before that, we had a consultancy shop, and we were developers, software developers. One of the things that we've noticed, we were helping other entrepreneurs build their own businesses, and we've noticed that a lot of the work that we're doing when we're building those websites, web services, amazing new startup companies that we're helping build, we're doing a lot of the same repeated tasks. There is a lot of commonality between different services that we're building. And we're really good at not reinventing the wheel. So that's finding the best tools, the best tech stacks that we can punch in together. So ultimately, this part of the work is done. And then the only thing we need to do is work on the stuff that is really unique to those entrepreneurs, building those services. And we had one part that was missing, and that was media management, working with images and videos. And in a way, this is how Cloudinary got started. We wanted it to be very accessible and useful. We have something that is called a URL-based transformation. Basically, it's much of our capabilities. You transform an image or a video. You take the original one and just by indexing it, the URL, putting that on paper on your website, you can give us instructions, concrete instructions to what to do with that image. Take it, crop it, change it, adapt it, grow, transform, make it your own. And that's phenomenal. The thing is, though, because there are lots of capabilities we talk about for hours around these capabilities, I think the thing that was really interesting for me is that if you're a student, you start with a free service, right? Just use it. It's very useful. Even if you're a student, you'll use the same endpoint as some of our largest brands that are using Cloudinary, right? So largest brands, amazing. Or a student from free service, same exact endpoints and same useful functionality. So I think I'll go with this, that it fits just the entire spectrum. They're all using the same endpoints, and it just blows my mind every time. I think one of our biggest takeaways from working and supporting other entrepreneurs, helping them build their services, was that there is so much to do. There is so much complexity in the tech ecosystem and your infrastructure when you're building solutions. But on the other hand, the many solutions that you're building share almost the same DNA. Even if two different web services you're building look dramatically different, 99% of that DNA is exactly the same. And I think for us, the thing that was most impactful in our journey was figuring out how not to reinvent the wheel with that 99%. Figure out the best solutions out there, plug them together. It's a composable ecosystem today. A lot of these services, packages, open source work really well together. Some of them cost money, and solutions like Cloudinary, some of them completely free and off-the-shelf packages, work well together, click well together, and allow you then build that infrastructure, and then you can focus on what really matters, and that is what's unique for your service. So one piece of advice, don't reinvent the wheel. There are amazing services out there. Use those, build on top of those, will clear the path for you to focus on what matters and really drive impact for yourself, your customers.